Aloha! I'm inviting you to spend the day with me at the Grand Hyatt Kauai Resort. Let's go to the pool. And we are back at the playground for the island of Kauai. This is our playground. We come here This is the first sunny day we've had in like 3 weeks. Okay, we are looking for a nice spot, but it is a gorgeous day. Okay, we're gonna go down the slide and I'm gonna pray my phone is gonna work. The Grand Hyatt Kauai offers day pool passes, so we're here celebrating my friend's birthday. Here's a view as we're going up to the slide. Look at that view. Okay, let's keep going, shall we? Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, my phone's gonna slam into the water. And we are here at the Hyatt at what they call the lagoon area. This is beach water, or at least part of the sand beach area, blocked off so that you don't have to worry about rip currents. Now, we are again down at the southernmost point tip of Kauai, and just over there is where we take the pup, our spoiled pup, for walks. She was just there. I got an email from her. So this is your lagoon area. That's tide pools over there. We had Christmas dinner there when I worked for Will Squire's Helicopters. They were no cheapskates. So this part turns into a pool area then. It's only 2 feet. Now the water was a little cool when I first got in, but when I felt the adrenaline surge of knowing I was going down the slide, it was on. I'm a polar bear. It's like 85 degrees out. That water was probably 67 degrees. Okay, now you got the red flags out. That means a lot of stuff we don't have to worry about. I used to boogie board down here with other people, but I'm going to tell you a little story about the beach over here. Most times they come in sets, but the barrel closes you in, and therefore your face goes slammed headfirst into the ocean. And there's the petrified sand dune we climbed up, and I would climb up today and do another tour. Last time we were here I tried to tape it, but I need binoculars on my camera here. We had a whole group of people jumping on. Let's see if we can get any surfing going on since we're here. We got a surfer. This is boogie boarding and knee boarding. That means they use the boogie board. Did I get him? Okay, sometimes it's hard to tell because of the fact that the sun is shining in your eyes and you can't really see. We got another one. There he is. That's a surfer. Okay, I think I need to find a log to sit on. We got another boogie boarder. Oh, he's in the barrel. He takes a spin. I want to send out a big mahalo for all of you joining me, the traveling bee, on this excursion to the Hyatt pool. Aloha.